What's something people don't know about getting great results from AI? It's not magic. It's about the way you ask. Let's break it down. Think of prompts like instructions to your most talented assistant. If you just say, write an email to the supplier about late delivery, you'll get something vague and generic. But when you give details, like company name order number, what you need the tone, it's a game changer. Try. Write a professional email to XYZ Limited about order hash 4521 delay. Request an updated timeline and emphasize the importance of timely delivery. See the difference? The right prompt gives you clear, actionable, and professional results fast. Next time you use AI, remember, your results are only as good as your prompt. Be specific, give context, and watch your productivity skyrocket.